We're back. All right, this time we're gonna be making some healthier muffins. The recipe that I saw on Instagram, which made me go back to Publix after I came home, like literally, I came home, made myself coffee, and I saw the recipe, and I'm like, man, I gotta go back to the store to get this. Anyways, the recipe calls for 2 bananas, 1 cup of blueberries, 1 cup of peanut butter, and 2 eggs. So, I got my cup. I got my muffin pan. Let's load it up, get it done, let's go. All right, 2 bananas. 2 bananas. We're gonna take these bananas, put them inside the cup. Bloop. Dang it, no trash bag. All right, no big deal. Now this might be one of those things when you come home and you're hungry and you see things. I don't know. Might be my hunger talking. All right, we got 2 bananas. YOLO, no paper towels. All right, no paper towels. YOLO. Went to the store, bought this stuff, but I didn't buy paper towels. Okay, all right, we got 2 bananas. Check on the bananas. What else did we get? Boom. Peanut butter. We got Reese's, creamy Reese's peanut butter. Yummy. Now, I don't know what peanut butter. It didn't say on the recipe. It just said peanut butter. So, we're just going with the peanut butter. YOLO. My favorite measuring cup, y'all. We need 1 cup of this. That's gonna be a lot. Okay, first thing, what we're gonna do, let's get 2 eggs. So we got 2 bananas in. Do not tell me I don't have eggs. What the Are you kidding me? Back to the store to buy 2 eggs. Guess who's back? All right, we got 2 eggs. Well, we got a pack of eggs, but we're gonna do 2 eggs. 2 eggs. We need a trash can. I mean, trash bag inside a trash can. Bloop. All right, let's crack these 2 puppies up. Dang, that's some hard shell. 1 egg in. 2 egg in. Okay, now let's do a cup of blueberries. How are you supposed to measure blueberries? Let's use the measuring cup. Let's wash these blueberries. I mean, we could have just eyeballed it. Blueberries. 1 cup of blueberries. Bloop. Going in. And it looks like that so far. Okay. Now, how the heck? I could have just thrown this in a blender and bzzz. What was I thinking? What was I thinking, guys? I could have just thrown all of this inside of a blender. 1 cup of peanut butter. Dang, I really don't feel like... How many spoons is 1 cup? Whatever. Eyeballing it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, this looked so much easier on that video. Why didn't I just use a blender? Okay, we need better tool. Boom, what is this for? Whatever. It looks like something we can use to squish all this. How in the world? I do feel like we might need a little bit more. Now that I think about it, the recipe didn't say what do I bake it on. Okay, we're gonna go 400 degrees for 15 minutes. I'll do it like they do it on those videos, you know, when they're like, oh. That's what she looks like now. Whoa. Now we are gonna take this mix, supposedly. Was I supposed to spray something in? Hopefully it's not gonna stick. Okay, is this gonna produce the results we're looking for? To be determined, guys, to be determined. That's what it looks like now. So we were able to get total of 9. We got 9 muffins, blueberry muffins with peanut butter, eggs. Now we're gonna wait for the oven to preheat. Then we're gonna dump it in for 15 minutes. Fingers crossed, it tastes good, just like it looks in those videos. All right, stay tuned. See you guys in 15 minutes. The oven just beeped at me, so we're gonna put these 350 degrees for 15 minutes. Wish me luck. Should I put it in the middle? Should I put it on the top? 15 minutes. All right, guys, so it's been 15 minutes. This is what they look like. So it's not a hoax. I was starting to think it's gonna be a hoax, you know, one of those things where you don't add baking powder, there's no flour, it will not rise, because I started reading the comments after I put it in and I'm like, is this fake? We got it in the oven. I'm gonna do it for 5 more minutes because it doesn't look quite all that. So I'm gonna run it for 5 more minutes at 350 and we'll report right back. It's beeping. It's letting us know. It's done. It's done. Let's take it out. Whoa. Okay. First impressions are everything. It's still sizzling. I don't know if you guys can hear that. Sizzle. Whoa. We're gonna let it cool off for a few minutes before we dive into this deliciousness. But guys, take a look at this. Whoa. All right, I have to admit, surprisingly, they did rise up a little bit. It does look like muffins. Some kind of muffin. I don't know. It does look like something. Is it gonna be tasty? I don't know. We're about to find out. The smell is just like peanut butter. That's what it smells like. Yeah, like I was baking or cooking peanut butter. Like burned, toasted peanut butter. So we'll give it a taste test coming up. All right, let's take a break. 5 minutes, let it cool off, and then we're gonna try it. All right, guys, on a second thought, who's gonna wait that long? We gotta try it. Look at that. That's what it looks like. I mean, what in the world? What? It looks nice. The verdict is in. Okay, so yeah. Let's talk about it, guys. The verdict is in. This is my verdict. Completely tasteless. I'm not a big fan of peanut butter per se, but it's tasteless. It has no taste whatsoever. I don't taste the bananas at all. The blueberries I don't taste either. All I taste is peanut butter. And it's kind of like a fluffy, spongy, peanut butter tasting thing that we just made. For this recipe that's been going viral or what have you, that keeps popping up on my page, might not be viral, but it did have like over 3,000 comments. The guy had over, I don't know, like million something views on it. Totally busted. I give this one 0 out of 10, guys. Like, it has no freaking flavor. It has no taste. Nothing. 0, nada, zilch. This was my attempt at making muffins. First time ever in my life, guys, in my 25 years of young life. But just like these muffins, totally debunked. I don't think I'm gonna be eating the rest of them. I don't care how healthy it might be. Because it's totally tasteless. Who's gonna eat something that doesn't taste as good? So anyways, we recorded it, we tried it, we made a video out of it. If you're gonna do this at home, don't recommend it, guys. All right, see you in the next one. Thank you for watching. Guys, do me a favor. Don't forget to smash that like button, leave a comment, do something. It helps to push the algorithm to push us out. I'm trying to get viewers over here, guys. Trying to get monetized. Come on, do me a favor, smash that like button. All right, guys, on a second thought, we'll give this one 6 out of 10. The reason why, after I did that little bite test and I went away for 10 minutes, it wasn't that bad. Maybe I'm just used to the sugar ones, the real ones, you know, and this one's not real. It doesn't have any sugar, so it's more on the healthier side. But you know what I mean? Like, maybe that's why. But it's not that bad. Like, you can eat it as a snack or when you're craving something and you just want to eat something healthier. But who cares about healthier? I mean, yeah. Next one, we're going to do a real one with real sugar. Screw that, we're not doing this fake stuff. As far as the taste, 6 out of 10, maybe 5 out of 10. When it comes to me, not a big peanut butter fan over here. But yeah, 6 out of 10, and that's where we're gonna leave it at. They did turn out okay. All right, that's gonna be it, guys. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Peace out.